The Jamaica Labour Party finds the response of the PNP President Mark Golding to the KSAMC PNP corruption scandal contemptuous of the Jamaican people, dismissive, and downright disgraceful, but not altogether surprising. The response is confirmation that Mark Golding is willing to turn a blind eye to seriously questionable activities by the PNP-controlled KSAMC and perhaps other PNP officials, which the party secretariat clearly has knowledge of. The unbecoming response from Mark Golding has again confirmed to Jamaica that he is not fit to lead this country. The Jamaica Labour Party calls for the immediate resignation of Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby. He must demit office as Mayor of Kingston and, I dare say, Chairman of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. And we believe he should do so soonest. We do not believe that Swaby has any moral authority left and can be trusted to govern the affairs of the KSAMC in a fair, equitable, transparent, and accountable manner.